Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get the username in Messenger. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is you need to go to your Messenger app and then go to and then just log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. From here, just go to all the way to your top left corner on three lines and go to settings. Once you are over here in the settings, just go to username just below active status and then go to username and then just have a username from here. So you can write anything. I'm gonna write purple haze and it will first check, so just choose anything and then just save it from here and then you can get the username. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.